Hi, Joe. Well, we are going to be seeing a drier air mass settling over the state, starting with us tomorrow and Saturday. So because of that, that's going to dry out some of the foliage. So do be prepared if you are doing any of those firecrackers or any legal fireworks. Just be aware we are going to be expecting possible fire hazards because of this drying out. Now, the atmosphere actually going to be moistening up a bit, starting with us Sunday into Monday. So because of that, we're going to be seeing a few passing showers. Strong trade winds still going to be with us. That's what's going to push us, these showers. Plenty going to be for the windward sections, but we will even see a few spilling over into the leeward sides. So do be prepared. You may need to take an umbrella along with you. But for the most part, it's looking like the bulk of the rainfall for Monday going to be in the morning hours. And in terms of rainfall right now, that's definitely what we saw. So we saw a few windward showers this morning. A few more consistent ones really lingered throughout the day. But leeward sections looking beautiful right now. Is it going to stay that way, though? I'll have your extended forecast coming up in just a bit. All right, Joe, back to you.